up, everybody? So it is a beautiful sunny day in California, and I decided to harvest my potatoes today, and I want to take you guys along. I hope you enjoy. So I have my wonderful basket here, and we will see how much we will fill up. So this is a potato plant that totally dried up, and we are gonna see if there's any potatoes. It's nice and moist in here. Look at this guy. I wish you guys could smell it. It just smells so earthy. Another big guy. Oh look, some kind of cocoon of a moth. I'll leave that guy alone. Let's see what is over here. Man, so this is like my first year growing potatoes like this, and I can say it's a total success. Looks so good. It's like digging for buried treasure, you guys. Look at this. Whew. What's up? Yay! Let's see if we can find some more. Oh look, found a baby. Hey baby. Yeah. Another one. What's up? Isn't that beautiful? How beautiful it looks like. I felt another one and I scratched it. Yay. Before we move on, check out my manicure, you guys. That's like my favorite manicure ever. Alright. Oh, look. This guy has been like really close to the surface. Hello there. How you been? Oh man, you guys, like my favorite way to prepare potatoes is mashed potatoes, fried potatoes, and that's about it. Doesn't that look good, though? So yeah, let me know what's your favorite way to eat potatoes. I'd love to know, you guys. Yeah, baby. Ooh, got another one. Look at this little baby. Oh, little baby. Ooh. Dude, guys, this is so exciting. Like, this takes absolutely no work to grow these treasures. Very minimum. Like, in the past years, I would grow them the regular way people grow them. You gotta till the area, plant the potato, and then as it grows you have to hill them so they won't get exposed. But now, just how amazing wood chips are. Found it. Oh, another one. Ooh, why are you trying to run away from me, huh? Oh, another one right there. Ooh, another one. It's a little small one, but ooh, I just look at this guy. And I guess that's it. So I think here I'm gonna plant, oh, just in case you guys are wondering, the background noise, those are peacocks. And they like take over our neighborhood. So I'm gonna choose the biggest potato and I'm gonna plant it back. Yeah, so right now is June. It should be able to grow for a few months. So guys, this has gotta be my favorite one. This is the Adirondack Blue. It's growing so beautifully, like the foliage. It has like some purple in it. You know, in my opinion, it looks more purple than blue. Oh, ooh, look at this, look at this. Yeah. Scratch. It's okay. Let's see, some more. Reveal yourself. Oh, there you go. Another one. Literally, like, that's all from one plant. All those Adirondack Blues. I guess that's. Oh, I keep saying that's it, and another one just pops out. Oh, look, another one. What in the world? I'm totally loving this potato. I loved it in the beginning when I first saw it, and I'm like, I gotta plant it. I'm like, I have no idea what it is, but I need to plant it. Here's the other one, Adirondack Blue. Get this out of the sun. Here they are. Big ones. Hi there. How you doing? One. Ooh. So, these are good sized. Ooh. What's up? Like, look at this Bermuda grass. Oh, you know what my dream garden is? My dream garden is where there is no Bermuda grass. That's gonna be a dream come true. I'm still fighting it. But I feel like these wood chips are totally helping. Oh, look at that earwig. What you be doing on my potato, huh? You better not be eating it. Get off. Bye. Yeah, I felt like I was being so disrespectful to it. I'm sorry, I wasn't trying to be mean. This is so beautiful, you guys. Ooh. Finally, some red ones. I was like, I'm pretty sure I planted some red ones too. Where they at though? Ooh. Yeah, man. Wow, guys, this is looking really colorful. I love it. But check this out though, you guys. Look at this amazing harvest. It's so beautiful. Got a few little red ones. But this Adirondack Blue has my heart. Alright, so it's like a full basket. Probably if I would have harvested the rest of them, it would have been like overflowing. But yeah, this is it. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys later.